This video is a service we carried out on a Nissan Juke, and we'll show you how to change the oil filter, air filter and pollen filter. And right at the very end, if you keep watching, you'll see how to reset the service light. Thank you so much for watching my videos, it really means a lot. If you can like, share or subscribe any of these videos, it really helps the algorithms and push our videos so that we can create more content for you. Thank you. Right, it's Monday and we've got our Nissan Juke in for its second service. So on this service we're going to be using genuine Nissan parts. We've got an air filter, pollen filter, oil and filter to change on this one, and we're also going to check all the other fluids. Right, let's change the air filter. Just down here we've got these clips on both sides. Nice and easy. Then we lift it up, take the old one out, there we go. We've got the brand new one here, put it in exactly the same. No, on this one you've got a tab, and it's got to be this way round. Right, pop that back on, do these clips up. Done. Right, pollen filter change. On these ones you've got to remove the glove box, so let's do that. You've got these screws along the top here, take those out. Once you've got those three screws out along the top, you need to undo your damper. So there's a little tab, push it, and then you need to pull it off, push it up, otherwise when you take the glove box off it'll rip the damper off. So we don't want that. We close that. Then we've got these two screws either side to do. Right, once you've got those two screws out, you need to open the glove box again, move the fuse box cover. There's another screw up there that I'd forgotten about. Once you've got the glove box out, you need to remove this electrical plug, this one, and these off the back here. Also, side note, the damper for the glove box you don't need to undo. I thought it was secured behind, it's not, so you can leave that on. Right, with the glove box out, this door sits in there. You can see the pollen filter. Just need to unclip this panel from there, and then you can see this tab here. So you just need to push this tab up, pull the door out that way and drop it down, and then you get that out, and then we can get this pollen filter out. Let's pop the new one in. We'll put the door back on. With the door back on, remember to clip this panel back in. Right, let's get this glove box all plugged back in, all the electrical connectors back on. Right, we'll get the under tray off, 10 mils using this gun, get this tray off to get to the sump. Right, so when draining the oil, you're going to need one of these square drive bits. The sump screw. Sump screw is just here, so you put that in, and then 19 on that. So with the oil draining, we can then crack on with the oil filter next. I think it's a 27 mil. Right, we've got our genuine Nissan filter. Pop it in up here. There we go, new oil filter's in. Let's get the housing on. Right, the oil filter housing cap's on. This is done up to 25 Newton meters. Let's get the new sump screw in with a new washer on. New sump washer on the sump screw. We'll put that back in. Right, so this is our genuine Nissan oil. So let's get that poured in and topped up to the right level. Right, we need to check the oil level. What you want is halfway between the minimum and the maximum line, so we're bang on. Right, so we've just finished up the service on this Nissan Juke. We just need to reset the service light. So, ignition on. Press the back button. Right, so if I show you, let's say in your normal trip menu, you want to travel along the menu at the bottom there, get to the settings one, you want to come down in there, keep going. Tyre pressure is the first stop because obviously it's part of the service. We've checked our tyre pressures, so as you can see they're in there. Right, so they're being stored. Right, now we want to go down to maintenance. We want to go into service, click service. See that the oil's due to be changed in 7,060 miles, but the customer wanted it done now. So we can confirm that by pressing OK on there. And we scroll down, click yes. It'll now come up dash 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 and then 18,640 miles. So we come out there. We've also changed the air filter, so we need to do that. So we can go down and reset that one. Confirm reset again with these buttons, yes. So that's been reset. So that's the service all reset. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you found it informative if you're trying to carry out your own service on your Nissan Juke. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe, like and share this video. If you do subscribe to my channel, you can see more content. I've got a few projects on the go. There's only one being filmed at the moment, but I have got a new project coming as well. So we'll take you along the way with those jobs that we've got on those, and also a few service jobs. But yeah, basically my channel is all about servicing cars and repairing them. My business, Wild Automotive. But yeah, thanks for watching.